In this video, I will show you how to clean paper jam or any kinds of error on Canon IR2520 or IR2520 series any photocopier. Let's see. First of all, you just go to your settings option where is additional function. Click on additional function 1, 2 and 8. Then again type additional function. Here will be a screen appeared. Then touch right arrow and find clean option. Next, 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 next. Oh, back. Yes, clean option. You will select, then press OK and find clean all. I'm pressing right arrow. Yes. Yes. Just clean OK. Please wait. I hope you will wait 3 or 5 minutes. Then photocopier will be restart automatically. After restart, you just select your language. I'm selecting language English. Press OK. You can select your country or region. I'm just after pressing OK. After pressing OK, your photocopier will be prepared for working position. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.